Hey, what's going on? I want to do a quick review on this Bushnell Rangefinder. This thing has been fantastic. Have zero complaints about it. I needed an upgrade. I had an extremely old rangefinder before, so I thought I would upgrade. I went with Bushnell. I've been happy with Bushnell in the past with scopes, and I had a rangefinder made from Bushnell as well. So really easy to use. You've got a power on button there. You hold it up to your eye, click once, you'll see like a little circle comes up. Anywhere you want to hit it again, and it tells you the yardage. So it's super easy to use. The battery is also super easy to use or replace, sorry. You get in there, unscrew that out, put a battery back in. So yeah, it's extremely user-friendly. This one particularly that I'm using, I can't remember the range on it, but it goes out a couple hundred yards. In fact, probably further than that because I've ranged animals way out and have had up to 600 yards actually, 600 yards to be exact. So really like these. If you're looking to upgrade, would highly suggest the Bushnell. Fits in a hand perfect as well. So it also comes with this carry-in case, which also makes it nice. You want to put that around your neck or whatever. I always just pack it in a backpack, but it's got cushion to it. The bottom of it is kind of like a hard shell as well. It's like a neoprene almost type material. It's got a little easy close on it as well from when it's stuck in there. In fact, I'll just show you now. Just slide it down in there. You just pull that. It's like a little, it's almost like a rubber band basically on there. Done. So also nice little feature. Hopefully this video has helped you out, maybe trying to make up your mind or just looking for something new. Thanks for watching. We'll see ya.